What's up guys, welcome to 42nd Ruby tutorial. This is Shreks from Smartherd, and in this tutorial I am going to teach you about random numbers in Ruby. Now, first of all, let's start our coding here itself. Let's write puts. Now, to generate a random number, we just have to use a syntax, simple syntax rand rand, which is the object of the class random class. Now, if we simply write puts rand, now let's see what output we are getting. Let's save it and execute it. We are getting a floating point value 0.1478 blah 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 like this. Now again executed 0.4396, again executed 0.5645. Now, the things in your mind must be clear guys, what is actually a random number. Each time this program is executed, it gives us a different value. Now, if you notice guys, its value is ranging from 0 to 0.99. If we simply write rand, then we get the value 0 to 0.99. Now, what if we want a range of values from 0 to 100, 10 to 100 like this? For that, we have to simply make some changes. Let's use the simple things. Let's use rand star 10. Now let's save it and execute it. Yeah, here we go. We get the floating point values ranging from 0 to 9.99. Here the range is 0 to 9.99 like this. It excludes the highest value, that is 10. Now these are the floating point values which we are getting. Now what if you want the values like, let's say, integers? For that you just have to convert it into an integer. It's a float value. Let's write dot 2 underscore I. Now let's save it and execute it. Yeah, here we go. We get an integer value like 2, then here 1, then 3, then 1, then 7, then 7, then 1 like this, then 0, then 0, then 5 like this. Every time the program executes, we get a different value here, which is an integer. Now, what if we don't want 0, 1, 2 like this? We want from values like 10 to 40. For that, let's say 10 to 40, the range is 30. So write the range 30. Then we just have to write plus, like 10 to 30 means, yeah, 10 like this. Now let's save it and execute it. Yeah, here we go. We get the values between 10 and 39 like this. You can see 17, 24, 32, 35, 11, 12, 18 and so on. Lots of values. Now let's use another syntax. Let's say rand within bracket 10. Now if you're writing 10 within the parameter rand, now this is going to print the values ranging from 0 to 9. It will exclude the higher limit 10 and all the values will be an integer. Now let's check it out, save it and execute it. 3, 6, 0, 9, 7 like this. Now if you want the values from 0 to 10, just add 1 here. Let's save it and execute it. You won't get 0, you will get 10, 1 to 10 values. Yes, pretty simple guys. Now let's use another syntax. Let's say 0 dot dot 10. Now this dot dot operator, I have told you many a times guys, when this dot dot operator is used, it specifies a range of values from 0, 1, 2, 3 till 10. It will include 10 also. If we use the 3 dot here, it will exclude 10 and the range of values will be 0 to 9 like this. Let's use double dot. Now let's save it and execute it. 3, 4, 4, 7. Let's check it out. You will get the values ranging from 0 to 10, including 10. Now let us generate the 10 random numbers at the same time. Let's use a syntax 0 dot dot 5, let's say, and dot map. Within the curly braces rand, then range of values of the random numbers, let's say 0 dot dot 10. Sorry, 10. Now let's save it and execute it. Yeah, here we go. Here we are getting the 6 values 208388 like this. Now this 0.5 specifies values like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 6 values. So here we are getting the 6 values like this. And this dot map rand 0 double dot 10, this specify the range of random numbers to be generated here like this. The value ranges from 0 to 10, it will include 10 also. Now let's write triple dot. So now triple dot specifies 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 5 values. Now here instead of 6 values we will get the 5 values here. Now let's save it and execute it. Yeah, here we go. We are getting only 5 values because our range is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Its index is like this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Now if we change the range 0 double dot 20, it will give the range of values 0 to 20 like this. Execute it, execute it, execute it again, again like this. Now let's move forward. Let me teach you guys about the srand object of the random class. Let me tell you about srand. Now what is actually a srand? Now in order to generate the same number in the same program twice using the random class, we can use srand object. Now what is this actually? I will tell you, don't worry. I will give you an example of it. Let's say srand space 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's write put srand, right? Now let me save it and execute it. Here we go. We get the value 0.19151 whatever. Now let us define again srand 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again let us write put srand. Now according to our previous knowledge, this rand and this rand is going to give different values, but here we have specified srand 1, 2, 3, 4 and same index srand space 1, 2, 3, 4 I have specified here prior to this put srand. So this rand value and this random value will actually be same. Now let's check it out. Let's save it and execute it. Yeah, here we go. Both the values are actually coming same. That is why this srand is actually used to get the same random values using the srand index. If the index is same, then random values will be same like this. Now we can also get the multiple rand values like this, comma rand, comma we will get here 2 values. Let's save it, execute it. Yes, these 2 values and these 2 values are actually same. Now we can also specify the range of values too. Let's say srand 10, let's say srand 100, 10, 100. Now let's save it and execute it. Yeah, here we go. 338, 338. Here the value is getting 3. So here again we will get the same value 3. And here the value is 38. So again here we will get the same value 38 like this. So in this way we can utilize such things in our programs as per our requirement. So this is all for this tutorial guys. Catch you guys in next tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe and please leave a comment below my video. Thank you.